here. I'm really curious about this. Could you tell me a little bit more about it?
This is our skimmer colander tool.
Oh, cool.
And you just, when you need to use it, you just pop it open.
Okay.
And like I have some conveniently cooking some raviolis here, and I'm just going to use it as a colander. Let's see, I'm sauteing those up. It's just easy to fetch those right out of there. And then while I saute them, I have the ability to just sort of move them around there all in one. You can pull poached eggs out with it. You can do, pull hard-boiled eggs out of it. If you're just straining off a small can of beans or corn or something, it holds that. It's perfect.
So you don't have to get a large colander dirty.
Very convenient tool, and then it just all collapses back down for easy storage.
Would you look at that? That's an awesome tool.